S&J squad. You feel me? You feel me? Been a long time, but we finally about to get out the video.
We were doing a graduation video, but
we did not have no videos whatsoever. We couldn't even bring our phones in. Couldn't vlog the whole time. So today we are going to the beach. We're gonna have a beach vlog for y'all today. So yeah, we got some special guests with us coming. Got my brother.
his boo.
His boo. Name not to be dropped until
Y'all see her.
got Sisso, my dad, and his boo. Fit.
And you know, the goats.
Yours truly. Fit. S&J. Yeah, big. But yeah. It's finna
And not gonna lie, the life finna start life in graduation, jobs, college, all that. So we gonna do our best to keep it up here.
Boy,
Chill on us.
the boy got a job interview on Tuesday.
Finna start working. I gotta enroll in my classes. So not too much on this time.
Graduation was a banger, man. Finally graduated, man. We did it. Eating on my twin snakes. Yo! Eating on my twin snakes.
You wanna be in our video?
Yeah.
Okay, come in.
Okay.
Got some guests knocking on the door.
But we want the black eyed peas after that cornbread.
That scrump.
Alright, let me tell you a little story. On the 24th, it was my sister's birthday. We went to this place called Nana Sushi.
Bruh.
I'm allergic to tree nuts, and I guess sesame seeds count as that.
Just goofy.
So, I guess sesame seeds excuse me, count as that. I ate something called a green bar roll, had an allergic reaction, and so we went to Black Eyed Peas after graduation. I went to go eat. He got the bag. I went to go eat. Take one of his shrimp. He told me no. And ever since then, he been checking all the food I eat.
Her goofy tail ended up in the ER.
For like 20 minutes.
You ended up in the ER.
Anyway, her nene.
For the third time.
There you go. But it wasn't even that bad.
She's the reason why we're doing the vlog, because she said that we're slacking. So.
I'm gonna unsubscribe if they stop. If they don't. If they don't post more, I'm gonna make them post once a week.
This our manager.
Hi.
Basically.
Call me for all bookings.
Oh no, get out.
Haters.
But yeah, for like 20 minutes, and now they saying I can't eat no seafood. Who first stop eating seafood? Not they, him.
For the second time in this relationship, she ended up in the ER.
Oh my gosh. The first time I had a basketball game and I
Panic attack.
I had no, not a panic attack. I had the flu and didn't know it, and
My mama
the
told her
flu
to sit down. She still played.
the flu triggered
goofy.
my child. The flu triggered my asthma, and I ended up having an asthma attack. I had to
Which is
leave the
what I
game
just said.
early,
Goofy.
whatever. And because I could, like, you tripping if you don't panic when you can't breathe. So I started panicking, ended up having a panic attack. They had to use like 3 machines. That was my fault.
Traumatized the heck out of me. Look, she on the bench, right? She saying, I can't breathe. So I look at her mama. I said, I'm pointing. She's like, what's wrong? She said she can't breathe. So she told her, do you need to sit down? She said, no, I got this. A couple plays later, down on that side of the court, at the free throw line. All of a sudden, she walked back to the bench. She can't breathe. So I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I told your slow tail to sit down. But my heart is saying, oh, it's not. She in trouble. So her mama get up, I follow behind, walk over there. She panicked, can't
My
breathe.
dad had to carry me to the
Man, we
car.
walk outside. Get outside, she throw up. So I start crying. So we get in the car. She in there. You want him to come or you want him to stay here? She said, I want him to come. She can't breathe. She
You
crying.
ate all this?
Yeah, they're mine. I bought them. She crying in the back seat. She can't breathe. She telling me that. I'm looking at her like, yo, if you don't get it together, you ain't gonna be the only one crying tonight. Get to the ER. I sit by myself in the lobby for about 10 minutes. They bring me to the room with her. She's crying. She's looking on the table, looking at me. My legs shaking.
Why are we telling my life story?
Shut up. My legs shaking. I'm over here whole bunch of thoughts going on in my head. Like, yo, is she gonna be here all night? Like, and then what's that?
I didn't get home till like maybe 2, 3 in the morning.
Does she gotta be pushed around in a wheelchair? Like, what's gonna happen? So they give her some medicine, and they're poking her with needles, with forks, stabbing her.
No, because one thing about it, they could never find a vein, so they're going and going and going. They ended up having to use the ultrasound machine. I didn't know there was a needle in it. They found a vein through this sharp pain, bro. I wanted to punch the doctor in the face, but I couldn't lift my arm.
I wanted to punch her in the face for not sitting down and taking care of her body, putting her body before her game. But no, she wouldn't be Michael Jordan. I still got one more in me.
But yeah, he wouldn't let me have his shrimp. That's how that came to be, because you mentioned shrimp. So, got a little off topic, but whatever. But yeah.
I charge my speaker too, because I ain't going to no beach without no music. And we not even going to be in the water, because ever since I heard, or I just been watching a lot of shark movies, I don't trust open water. So if I get bit by a shark, which I hope I don't, which I know I'm not going deep in that open water. I used to love going to the beach because of the water. But now it's crabs, now it's fish, sharks. I don't got time for that. So I'm going to be getting my feet wet a little bit, probably up to here, my upper legs, my upper thighs. And I'm going to get out.
And you know you got to go deep because he's too tall.
Exactly.
Dude's like 6'3".
Therefore, matter of fact, I'm a duck walking that mug. Yeah.
Me on the other hand, I'm 5'5". Maybe 5'6".
5'2". Anyway, we'll have a good time. Bringing a volleyball and football speaker. We'll have some tunes out there.
It's gonna be a vibe.
I gotta get my swim trunks and a tank top because that's what she's wearing, and I'm going to match her down to the exact.
Cause all this coming up when we get there.
So.
But yeah, we gonna see y'all.
Get back y'all when we get in the car. And actually, when everybody get dressed, because you know what I'm saying, we gotta show everybody. You know what I'm saying, we gotta do it right.
Yeah.
Our last couple vlogs, just been mainly me and the camera, not her, and it's J and M. J and
Not
M.
just M.
Exactly.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, we made it to the front.
Ain't no front. It's Shirley.
Made it to the front. Say hi.
Hey, you feel me, dude? You feel me, dude? Let me make sure I'm looking right for the vlog. What's up, vlog?
It's my brother.
What's up, vlog? Brother, big brother.
This is Boot. You feel me? This is Boot. You feel me? Got my dad Boot. Nay. You feel me?
Hey.
That's Sisso. They got brother right there. Yeah, we at the front. Let's get it. About to go. Pretty chilly, pretty breezy out this mug. Wait, Dad. You the only one who ain't speak to the vlog yet. What up, dude? Watch that.
It's a big dog. Oh my god. That's a big
dog. We here. Sure. My queen is back. To the front, you feel me?
Yeah, my lip gloss. Don't eat me!
You getting scared. You getting scared of the dog. You scary.
Nah, that was gonna eat me.
Scary, dog.
Scary too. Alright, so I'm go to other classes, so you know I love you. Merch.
To the beat. Now come back.
He told me not come back.
Now come back. Cause anybody tell you to leave.
I'm not gonna be in the street.
Anybody tell you to leave then? Thank you. Stop leaving your rightful spot. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Alright, so they tell them what's going on.
Honestly, I don't know anymore. Something said about mini golf. We were supposed to be at the beach in the water, but it's chilly. It's chilly.
So yeah, but me and baby are matching. We were supposed to wear our bathing suits, but it's too chilly.
It's chilly.
It's chilly. So yeah, it's chilly. So we just out on the front with the fam right now.
Memories.
Memories, you know what I'm saying? Gotta make them.
I probably they start shooting them.
Babe, come on now. Why you gotta be so negative?
I'm not trying to.
Remember we hey, mind you, this the same area or strip that we did our spring vlog. So yeah.
It was way brighter and hotter though.
And we was in full outfits.
I'm trying to figure out why it's summer, but freezing cold. I guess it's because we by the water.
Yes, that's exactly why.
And I got my toes out. They're not finna. You was trying to show me my toes.
Oh my gosh.
You want to see my toes? Don't be zooming in. If you said I'm on Feed Finder, send me half of that profit.
What? No, that's not. Hey, y'all better not do that. I will hunt y'all down. Yeah, everybody coupled up.
Oh, they're gonna fight.
Oh, the bikes. Everybody coupled up. We're on a quadruple date right now. But yeah, man.
Oh, look at the wave. I'm gonna just jump in.
Yeah, to have fun, make memories. Beautiful scenery though. I'm loving the scenery, you feel me? Love it. I'm guessing we're just walking the strip. That's what they said they was doing.
So this water look a little high.
So yeah. Right. I'm loving the view, loving the scenery, you feel me? It's a good day.
This water look a little treacherous.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hope I see nobody from school out here. That water do look a little high though. I ain't gonna cap.
I ain't gonna count. I'm a little scared. I should have thought about what I said.
That's the type of time you on. My finger's hurting. Here, you hold it.
Get the water. Let's just.
Finally, she's holding the camera for once.
Okay, they was looking at the scenery. Hush.
Finally, she's holding the camera for once. I do all the work.
Why are you lying? This is why I don't hold the camera, because the camera stayed down here.
You're right. We gotta do a better job holding the camera.
We need one of those sticks.
Yeah.
I'm kind of hungry again.
You just ate, y'all. She don't eat like this on a regular.
Okay, so it's a problem when I don't eat, and then it's a problem when I eat too much. Let's
Get out of there.
Boy, if you don't get.
Why you laughing? Oh. Yeah. Yo, hey, look. Look at this. Chris.
Oh, okay.
Yo, can we ride a bike?
Thank you.
Can we ride a bike? Like,
I don't trust riding tandem bike for nobody.
what? Why can't we ride a tandem?
Felt cute for a second.
Babe, you always cute. What are you talking about?
No, you missed the whole thing I just did.
Hey, angle it up, okay?
Okay, you hold the thing.
Guess the king gotta hold it. You feel me?
I don't hold a little skirt.
I'm zooming in on your face with that. I'm zooming in on your face with that too. So yeah.
That's gay.
Okay.
I just said that.
And you gonna yell it out too? Like,
We all get on the dick and rap.
oh, that's gay.
Look at them holding hands.
You wanna go there with the couples?
No, I'm gonna put it back here.
Whack, bro.
Back.
Whack.
Go in the room.
Go interview?
Go in the room.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna go interview. I'm leaving you.
Back.
Since you wanna be a punk.
No, it's your curve.
I'm gonna go interview. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna go interview. I'm gonna catch up with y'all after I'm done interviewing. I'm feeling.
I'm feeling good. I'm with my baby. I'm with my baby.
I'm having a great time.
You heard me, though. We got 4 couples out here, man. We got a couple. Who got that job? My tingles went off quick. My bad, vlog. I don't know if we're gonna get canceled for that, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, if you could close it for me, sir. I appreciate it, gang.
We love where we're at.
Cause it was probably me smelling like that. My bad.
How y'all two feeling on this lovely day?
Good. With my boo. Feeling good. Life is great. Got brother man with the camera though. Feel me? Gotta shout out to the cameraman though. Respect it. It's 4 couples out here. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4.
Yeah.
Yes, Lord.
Alright, about to go back to my queen. You feel me? Yeah, my hair all messed up. Y'all got me over here looking crazy. All right, be back.
I want to go to Dairy Queen.
Got that interviewing. Now it's your turn. How you feeling?
I'm pissed off right now because why did I just get a whiff of weed?
Yeah, I caught that too.
I'm chilling right now. I just want some ice cream from Dairy Queen.
Ice cream from Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
You'll be one getting ice cream. I will be.
We know you lactose intolerant.
No, it's all like ice cream. Yeah, I ain't even get to ask y'all yet. How y'all feeling on this lovely day?
My face cold.
Your face cold?
Yeah.
You should probably put a.
Yeah.
You know what? Screw you. Laughing at my failure. What are they doing? It looks like fun.
I don't know, but I'm going to Dairy Queen.
Why are we not up there with the people?
Because I want to go to Dairy Queen.
Free Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen is.
Yes, thank you. High five. Thank you, Lord.
We just go to Ben and Jerry's. There's a lot of ice cream places out here. Who eat yours?
Like, I'm missing out on the. I'm about to go with my people.
You don't eat Ben and Jerry's.
I'm finna earn. If they dancing, I'm about to go tear them up. I'm about to go see. I'm about to go find out what they doing real quick. Hold on.
Go ahead.
It is funny, bro.
Go ahead.
He's got that snapping. He's got that snapping. You feel me? That snapping.
You feel me, though? He started snapping.
Yeah, you feel me, though? Bam. Just came there and killed it already. Already making memories. Already snapping.
Baby girl,
This would be a good little A.
Buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain.
you know me.
I won't talking. I quit. I'm done. This would be a good little spot. You know you want to get away. The hotel, the view.
Hey, we lit. Hey, we lit. We lit. You feel me? This vlog about to be a good one. You feel me?
You might gotta cut out
TikTok. Oh my God, that
We
TikTok.
got this. Yeah, we got this
Hey, look,
TikTok.
you know that TikTok they be like, you hold out your hand and the Milner drink with the set. You feel me, though? Yeah. So I don't know that. Okay, nah, you gotta be a Marvel geek to get it.
Yeah, you feel me? You feel me? Yeah.
I bet you is.
I'm tired.
Scuba. You feel me? We looking through the stethoscope.
The testicle.
Oh, nice.
The testicle.
Why would you do that?
Looking through the stethoscope.
Hey, wait.
It's for the little people.
The midgets. The midgets.
We looking through the
This for you.
testicle.
This is for you. This is for you. I'm sorry. You're the tallest person ever. I am. You're taller than me. Hold on. Yeah.
We down here. We down here with Nate. We on Nate level tonight. You feel me? Though we getting on Nate level.
Turn down for what?
Turn down, boy.
This interview is over. What the heck was that? Is a shrug. That's a nasty view. I couldn't see nothing in there.
Oh, wait a second.
Oh, the queen is back.
So tomorrow I have a surprise for. Back up.
Are you snitching? What?
I'm telling you. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow. Wait, are you planning on posting this tonight? Do you plan on posting this tonight? Cause if so,
Yeah.
I'll just vlog tomorrow then.
Gay. That's gay. That's gay.
I can't tell y'all because then he go try to go back and look at the video and see what I'm trying to do. Here.
I'm gonna give y'all a little scenery clip though. You feel me? But we out here living the dream. Like what you see?
No, I can see the water. It's actually really pretty. Oh!
Girl.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in my
Yeah, just keep it.
Yeah.
He got me close up.
Y'all, life is lifing.
You
You
feel
feel me
me?
though? God is
Life
good
out of
all the
school,
time,
be like,
all the
you feel
time.
me?
God is good.
After graduating, be like, you feel me?
Yeah, after graduation, you heard me though. You feel me though?
Like, like the awesome law, you feel me?
though?
You feel it? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you got me.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Give me that. Huh? What happened?
Yeah.
That's it right there. How you
Hit that joint, hit that joint. Hold on. Hold on, give me. Hold on, give me. Hold on. You ready? Hold on. Ankle it down a little bit.
Who next? Hit it again one time. Get down low.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna let.
Oh! Wait a minute. What is you doing? What is you doing? Who is you feeling like? Door the nigga Glor. Get over here. Yo. Door the nigga Glor. Get over here.
Parkour.
The bullets. What? What is she doing? What is she doing? Yeah, that was crazy. I did not expect that. Hey. Oh, we bending. Oh, they bending. God. Bend it. Yeah, I know.
Unless we do the copyright thing. I don't know. They've been on.
All right.
I want ice cream.
No, I don't want ice cream.
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey, look at the Ferris wheel, gang. Yeah. Hey, this a vibe, gang. Hold on, what the freak? You already got. Really? Already?
Oh snap!
Oh snap! On my truey!
It's probably a washing machine.
It's called Boy Q.
Sorry.
What's that little girl that's cool? Excuse me. Oh my God, it's a playground.
I just said y'all want to go.
My socks.
I would say we got Crocs on.
I'll just take my socks.
Trying to go to the playground.
I was talking to you. You just asked what I repeated.
Early pop.
I want ice cream.
Freak your ice cream. Cause you messed it up.
Sorry.
White toes for the wife.
If my girl doing it, I gotta do it too.
Yes, let's go down the slide.
Put your socks on my face.
That slide.
That's how it is.
That's funny. I guess.
That's how it is. You gotta take your socks off too, right?
You having a good time?
I am. We about to go to the park.
I go to the park. We're gonna stand on the beach. Let's kiss her eye. Yo, what's the free? Now shit, say it out loud.
1 second.
About to slide, you feel me? About to slide.
Where the other one at? Please don't tell me I left one at the crib, bro. Oh, all right.
There it goes.
I don't need that anyway. I don't need it
All right.
anyways.
We about to go play on the play park. I'm gonna hit y'all back. You feel me? Hold on, let me try. Real G, you feel me? Oh yeah, this ain't nothing. This ain't nothing, you feel me? Oh, this ain't nothing, you feel me? This ain't nothing, you feel me? Oh yeah.
See you in.
Oh man, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. All right, man, that's a bet. Hold on, let me roll them up real quick. Oh, I meant it look like. Hold on, I'm gonna get somebody the camera. Hold on, let me get my people the camera. Hold on. You drop back, we hey, we about to play tag. Got my people recording. Feel me? I think somebody just fell out the slide. Who fell?
Oh,
Amaya.
Don't catch me! I told you that thing on the back. Oh, I'm not playing. I'm scared. Help! She's trying to tag me. Get one of them. Get that right. Not slow.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast. Why are you?
Hey, Jordyn, you can't catch me, so don't even come over here. Oh, yeah, she not catching me.
Be back, check. It's a little dark. Hey guys, guys, what you guys doing, man?
What's going on? She said no.
Yeah, but why are you still smoking the Nick?
Sparky.
I don't know, bro.
It's better to stop the Nick than the weed, honestly.
Hey man, what you doing, man?
That's real, but that
Having a great time.
That shit works. That shit
Yes.
I should not
summoned.
have bought that nigga.
Being summoned. Where are you at? Oh,
Let's wait till we get halfway.
here she go on the slide again. Come on. Oh, now you didn't need me to catch you.
Ew, my pants are.
Why are you crying?
Got my butt off of your jacket?
No, y'all can't see that. I forgot. My fault. Y'all can't see that. That's my butt.
Okay, hold on. We'll be back, guys. I wish they had like a flash.
Wait. Oh wait. I was about to say I have my phone, but phone is over there. Other way. Might be saying off. I know what I'm saying. Got up here.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.
Boy, bad.
Fine.
Okay, we're going back up to the dock. There is, yeah. I want ice cream, but he won't let me go. Hopefully this time we come on, we're at the ice cream store or shop.
Probably not.
At least getting food, I don't care. Okay, see you later.
See you later. I'm black.
Crazy.
We are back, you guys. I don't like
I just found out some information that just.
some very great information that could change her life if she play her cards right. All right, so we are currently heading somewhere. They want to go get ice cream. I don't eat ice cream, so yeah. I guess I'm gonna do about oddball. So
Okay, he's on the wall. Okay. Nah, 'cause I ain't gonna lie.
I might take this out, but somebody doesn't want me to.
can we get couples?
They're very loud.
That was suspended
That's the point.
animation.
I want that.
And I don't.
Why you smile this all?
You know, I was
Get the.
I ain't even supposed to A pole is something that you can't get around.
I like the peace.
But like, it's not peace. It's the vlog. It's not a peaceful vlog. It's a loud, funny, goofy vlog. What's your beef stew?
What's your beef stew?
Hey guys, we're jaywalking.
We're jaywalking. Looks like we're going to pure shops. If he can't buy you Dior, then he pure.
We're going inside of a place full of games.
Looks like fun. Pure shops.
I always wanted it.
Yep. Ain't gonna lie, I jumped a little bit.
No, not a little bit, a lot of bit. You jumped a lot of bit.
Spike feet.
Hold on, I got my phone in my pocket.
Spike feet.
Let it in. This place is packed. Looks like we're going in here.
We're trying to get in that cruising blast, though, you feel me?
Just walking around looks like it. Look at all these prizes. So nice, so nice. We have no idea what we're doing, so bear with us. Speeds and shanks shoot.
Tough spot.
Okay, we'll hit y'all back when we actually doing something.
Hold on.
Oh, we go? I can't sit! It's moving!
Hey, see all that hooping in the gym working.
Oh, snap! I need to go!
Jordyn,
Shut up!
the hoop is big. How are you missing?
Okay, you made it.
There we go. There we go. Follow through. Stop doing it.
First off, my arm hurt. Second, I have nails on.
Oh, you're right. I thought.
Yeah, so I automatically do it. Like, I got nails.
Bye.
I knew that.
Y'all over there playing for 2 minutes.
But he got a high school. He got my high school. He left me.
One of y'all touch me in that. No back. Look, you see after too. You can't do it. Bro, is y'all game ever gonna end?
Dad, I think I beat you. What was this? Yeah, I get a Corvette, or Nissan. I get a Corvette. No! I got a Jeep. That's cool. I'm still I accidentally got a Jeep. I don't want a Jeep. That's all I know. I'm a son. See where I can drive.
We know who can't drive.
See that turn there? See that turn there? Oh my God.
I just scratched all my paint. I'm in like dead last.
I'm a little trickster.
Oh, boom, 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 boom. Oh, yeah, I'm back in there. I'm back in there. I'm back in there. I'm back in there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
God. God.
Who the freak just smacked me?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I'm actually in 11. Oh, now I'm in 11. Damn. Why is it so sensitive?
God.
Bro, turn! I'm turning! My God! God, I'm in 14th place! Excuse me! God, attack me! God! It won't let me turn! That's a freak, dog! I bet. Move! Bro, turn! Go ahead, dog. Go ahead, dog.
Oh my God.
Hold on, we got it. Hold on, no, we don't. No. Are you doing good over here? See crack down there?
Bro, they smacked me.
Yeah, nah, this shit's smacking. Look! It's not letting me turn! You talking about Papa Willie? It don't even matter if I can't turn!
How the fuck did I lose to the nigga who wasn't even on it?
Oh, Jesus! Oh my God!
Oh, don't kill him now. Don't kill him.
Oh, just die. Just die. Just die. Oh, not on camera. Don't. Hey, I'm not. How the fuck did I lose to a nigga not even on his mic? Like, nigga, it just.
Yo, that was crazy.
It's not like.
Let's see. What you got here? Yo, I totally already seen it. You got me. This. Yeah.
Are you ready to get beat?
Brother gonna win.
Jordyn, where's
Oh, now I gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
Alright.
She beat me in a car game, so she cheated though. She
No,
hit me,
I didn't.
bro. The last 2
No.
seconds, she hit my car. Literally.
No, hold me in it right. She was bumped over, I swear.
Bro! Chris! I told you that.
I think Calvin got it.
I gave it to Sean.
You don't give no boost in it. I know this motorcycle dude better get out my way. I know that.
Bro, why did you almost turn?
Why am I in the?
It just won't turn, bro. It just won't turn.
Final lap. What is it?
Bro, it just won't turn.
Oh!
These are red.
Yes, bro. She's winning by default, bro. Literally.
Oh, trust they won't let me pass them either.
I didn't even hit the thing. Oh my God.
Like, bro.
There's no way. This is so unrealistic, gang. crashing the whole time, gang. I see what Chris was talking about, bro.
Yo, that was crazy.
I'm still the boss.
Alright, we out of the arcade now, but it's just us. I'm going to meet my brother and his boo at Dairy Queen because my baby wants ice cream. So I got it. She got me an Airhead. She want me an Airhead.
I got me a Pop-It. 10 pieces of gum and a fruit roll-up.
10 pieces of gum. What free?
I had 90 left and the gum was 10 points. So I got 9 pieces of gum. We could really get something from here.
I wish they had an Auntie Anne around here.
No, real. Remember I tried to get fries from here last time and they didn't have them?
That broke my heart.
I just spent $20.
Oh, they got a mechanical bull.
It must be expensive though.
I'm gonna cut all this out. There go that Bad Bunny again.
What's wrong with Bad Bunny?
Nothing, just can't understand nothing he's saying.
Should I buy me an outfit?
Nope.
That's cute though. That dress is cute.
How far Dairy Queen?
It should be out there, man. Oh!
You almost tripped.
No, I didn't almost, I did.
Oh, and I missed it. Shoot.
Oh, you're a bum. I remember you came here, you wouldn't let me get anything.
Just diabetes on top of sugar on top of
That
diabetes.
don't mean nothing.
That means a lot.
I'm gonna come here one day, watch. And I'm gonna make you buy me whatever I want.
Shoot. Don't make me do nothing.
Take a look in my
Should I make you turn
eyes
the
and
door
see
on?
what I...
It's over here. We got her.
You'll find out tomorrow. Jaywalking? Okay. No, let's go to crosswalk. Let's be safe. Let's not jaywalk. That's breaking the law. Oh, we're breaking the law. He's breaking the law.
Shut up.
Law's being broken. Sorry. Sorry. It's a motorcycle game. Thank you. Okay, here, take it back. You're done eating. I want me ice cream.
Man, Dairy Queen. God, bikers.
I'm a biker.
He is not no biker. I would love it if you bought me some fries, though. Thank you. What you guys get?
We got choco brownie extreme.
You feel me
Extra
though?
brownie.
Extra brownie chunks, you feel me though? Might be on the toilet. But
Might be a little bit of lactose,
might be a little bit of lactose, but it's okay.
it's okay.
It's okay. It's worth it. It's worth it.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Is this y'all?
Upside down this bitch. I got you. Yeah.
We at the Dairy Queen right now. Okay.
Can I get the smallest shake and some fries? I want to take
I also want to take
Get your Frenchie fries. Vroom, vroom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all after I get my Frenchie fries. You feel me? We back. She got her ice cream. You caught up with the fam. I don't know where we headed to now, but hey, it's not about where we're going. It's about the journey. You feel me?
I would need a sports ball so bad.
So yeah.
I don't even need sports ball. I'm just take feet. don't even got a run.
Everybody with their boo. I'm with my boo.
For real? Oh.
I need that shirt. I need that shirt.
Don't be a salty.
Oh, that's a woman.
I wonder where we're going.
Probably back to her car.
Yeah, probably. But you know, even if we do, still be a. This vlog is probably gonna be the best one yet that we posted on the channel. Cause we got special guests and we having buttloads of fun. Some footage won't input because I ran out of storage. So
What about 5?
then they had to help.
What about
with that,
3? Just for the night, just 3. Just for the night. what if I rob you?
Wow, he said that loud.
I keep braids. What's the line from the movie? I forgot.
You talking about what if I rob you?
What she say?
She getting excited.
Oh my god.
I want more.
Okay, puppy.
Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Look, show it.
Oh, snap. Y'all see that? Yeah, look at that. That's tall. That's crazy.
Only clown I'm not scared of.
You feel me though? I'm gonna chop down that tree. Chop down that tree.
That's a big tree to chop. I ain't chopping that tree.
Hey, this is not breaking, twin. That's not them ice blocks, twin. It's not. Yeah, you gonna break your hand, twin. Hey, I've been to the sweet spot. It's so sweet.
Just walking the strip right now. Probably headed back to the car. Like I said, not about where we're going, it's about the journey. You feel me? So yeah. But today's been a good day, man. Life out of high school right now is going good so far. I'm just ready to see if I get this job. If I get this job, then life will be officially lifing. So I get started with that. Get some money, get some paper.
And then get his stuff situated for his longshoreman job.
My baby is on a TCC. Well, she's gonna she's gonna get enrolled for her classes in August. So yeah.
I gotta do it now, but classes won't start in August.
Yeah, so she's gonna do virtual though. She's not leaving me.
Even if though, I don't really know yet. It's between virtual, but if need be, I can just go to night classes or morning classes and adjust. Wherever my work schedule is, I can just adjust my classes to that. And then hopefully by then I'll decide if I want to do in or virtual, but I'll probably have to do in-learning considering I'm doing early childhood. We'll see where it takes us. That dog gonna eat me.
That dog is not gonna eat you.
That dog gonna eat me.
That dog is not gonna eat you.
That dog is not going to eat you, so
Right. Look at that dog. See, that dog did not even eat you.
Big head with a skinny body.
Shut up.
What's happening?
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Hey, now.
Oh yeah, maybe another one.
I can do that.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Hand me the snake.
Yeah, one more time. Up. There we go.
Up and away.
Boom. All right. One more trick called showing it off. Where I gotta go really fast and with one hand.
He said, who won it?
Hey, yeah. Boom. All right, but let's step it up a notch. I'm gonna like.
I can do that. I can do that. I can do that.
Surprises are amazing.
I can do that. You can do that, brother. You can do that. Yeah.
It's like flipping eggs. What you talking about?
Hey, brother. Do it again, brother.
You do that, brother. Flip that like an omelet. Damn it up. Oh no, I don't need no hand. I got the real thing. Oh, my fault. I didn't want to say that for so long. Oh, I used to fall in love with some henna. Oh, what this white boy doing?
Nah, for real.
Ballerinas? Oh.
I think you dropped something.
Look at that big old gorilla. We got some entertainment out tonight.
Oh, let's fight at the Bumblebee. Play the thing from Drumline.
He is weak, bro. He is weak, dog. Oh my goodness. What choice did we have? What choice did we have? There was a whole bunch of people.
Not giving us that.
Yo, why was he so weak though? Where y'all going? He was weak as a mug. Like, before she even.
Yo, how much I'm going for?
That was so disrespectful. He started laughing.
This is why we don't hang out with them.
Bro started laughing as soon as she started. Like, as soon as she started singing, he started laughing. They funny, boy. They are funny. Oh yeah, we're heading back to the car.
Walk like. What? You didn't let I walk?
Not really.
Yeah.
But you like it, so I love it.
That's black people's way of saying you look like dog doo-doo.
Wow, I never said that. Hold on now.
He said I look like an ugly herb.
Wow. You did that?
Is that yours?
That's why he did a pinky promise.
Right there.
Wait, and apparently he said it now.
Oh, so he's being hard.
We don't litter. We don't litter. We don't litter. It's a $250 fine.
I did. It was so smooth.
That's your problem. That's what you get. I'm glad she saw it too. That's your problem.
That's crazy.
What he did, hey, see, he told me, oh my God, Chris, why would you do that? Like,
You talk to yourself.
it's always Chris. Why are you talking to yourself? Chris doing something. Like,
Dang, you just got pushed to the truck? God.
good.
You got pushed to the truck, man. You got pushed to What? Punk, stop touching the door. Touching the door. What? Hey, stop. Hey. Get in the car.
Stop touching. Get out my butt.
Alright, chat, we're gonna get back with y'all when we get back to the crib. Oh, we dropped them off. I don't know where the plane is, babe. Deuce. Okay, we're dropping her off now. I don't want my baby to go. I love you, boy.
Do I got anything from you?
I'll let you know that. Alright, we done dropped her off. Now we about to head back to the crib. That was, yup, you feel me though? Feel me though? Yeah. It's the end of the vlog. You feel me? So I'm about to get straight to editing after I get done with this.
I just want to stretch my leg. My bad. My foot.
Today was a 10 out of 10. Must do again.
I ain't the most petite. So like, sorry.
You cool.
Nate, were you talking to me? What you asked me?
But alright, chat. So, peace.
No, I'm going